Man, I love being right. And I'm right a lot. So, remember yesterday I said this is all gonna stem down to Bobby Naklicki from Red Dick Nation? Yeah. Look who's attached to my Spotify. Yeah, that's the tip of the iceberg of everything we found today. Thanks to my beautiful attorney who didn't have... She's doing shit that she doesn't have to do. But man, is she kicking ass and finding out a lot of shit really quick. I'm going to keep the rest of it a secret to myself. But I will say this. Deerdorf, you better play with that shit that homeboy seen in your house. Get ready for prison and Bobby Dicklicky prison and Blue Wave prison. Everyone's doing the prison dance. Yay! And it might come slow, but it's coming for you, baby. You're all toast. All these people act, I don't know nothing, I don't know. Yep, you all know. And you gonna be toast with them. Ryan Bridges. Hey, Jack, Johnny Cage, real. You know Bobby real good. Real good. Hashtag prison. Ronnie Upchurch, you know Bobby good too. Hashtag prison. But anyway, I'm headed to Ashland City. I'll probably see Deerdorf and Billy and Vincent like I do every day. They're not going to do anything about it. I'm going to go get my lawnmower, cut some grass. Just have the best day ever. That's what I'm going to do. I hope you're doing the same. If I see you out in public around, I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm out in public! I'm finna go to Wix and be in public! Every day I'm going to co-op in public! Well, just left the electrical company. Hey, Skylar, you blobfish. What was it you were saying? Ryan, cut her lights off. Ryan, cut her lights off. No. But I just found out why you were saying that. Blobfish. Oh, Yankee Doodle. That man ain't got nothing to do. It's bad when a man has nothing to do. Middle of the day on Tuesday. It's not a good look. It's nothing to do. And the shit he's saying to everybody, it's just like, brother, just a flat out liar. Now you're a guy who's a liar who has nothing to do. Hey, Doodle. You start fights. You're doing fights. You get what you deserve. I think you're right. I do get what I deserve. I just kicked everybody out of these houses. Got them all back. Cleaned them up. Got a random $70,000 check in the mail this morning from BMI. First one I ever got in the mail. Got my lawnmower back today. Hell, my daughter, since you talked about her, she works more than you. She cut more grass than you have today, and you have your whole life. What you say, Pooter Scooter? Just doing working. About to head over to this troll house. Start cleaning it. Just went and got my leaf blower. Now I'm gonna get some cleaning supplies, head down there and start doing working. Oh yeah, that's right. Finna pull up the Sonic about it. Every light on the dash is on. It drives just as good as a 21. A headliner's falling and it itches my eyes. The tailgate don't shut quite right. Every light on the dash is on. Alright, so we're cleaning out this house. And we found these things called hood inks. They're all still in the box. It's like a damn street lamp. Anybody know anything about these things? And look at what's in them. It's like These big solar powered street lamps. Okay. These boxes of them. Found some Google.
They're really pretty cool.
You say it links to your phone?
Yes. So you can control everything from your phone.
Damn.
Like if you go out of town and you want.
Hey, what was y'all doing here? Look at this. Look at all these Apple tags my cleaning lady just found. And you got all these street lamps. What do y'all got going on here, dog? All right, little Vincent. Listen. They said at the show, they said you're in here running your mouth. Just stop. You're not going to do nothing. I done seen you twice in public. I seen you the other day when I was at Witt's. You looked right at me and you didn't do nothing. Just be quiet. You have tiny hands and feet anyway. Just be quiet. Go on about your life. Okay, you're not like that, and just stay not like that, okay? Okay. But anyway, aside of guys crying in town because I dated their girlfriend once upon a time, today I met up with the drywall guy, the paint guy, the industrial cleaning lady. We got my house on North Pole getting totally redone from all the damage. I'm headed back to my house now to get my garage, clean it a little bit, and just enjoy the rest of my day. Also, Trevor, Blu-ray, Feds Run You, whatever it is you want to call yourself. These bad boys went missing over a year ago. I bitched about them all the time. I was like, man, I really wish I knew who stole my night vision. Guess where I found my night vision at? Inside Trevor's house that he was renting from me. This is covered in cat piss, but here's my night vision. I'll help you look for it, bro. I bet you will. I got it back now. It's in your house. Can't trust nobody these days, man. I'm just sitting here thinking, I'm like, Trevor told me, he said, Deerdorf called me and asked me, did I get out of there unscathed? Okay. That's all fine and good, but here's the thing. The Apple tags thing, though. That's a lot of Apple tags. What's the deal with the Apple tags? Are y'all slapping them on vehicles and watching where these vehicles go and like stealing out of the vehicles? Are you stealing the vehicles? Because the only thing y'all left behind at the house was Apple tags, some weird street lights, and a bunch of like car jacks and just to jack up cars. So I'm like, okay, well, this is a tad bit suspicious.